Good morning, everyone. Let's just make an introduction lo that account blue me. As you can see, me posted to video finish na plenty blah comment. So love you, I'm no problem. But basically account blue me, as you can see from the bio lo internet lo account blue me, it's all about behavior change and uh, mitigate gender-based violence. So we are trying to use different platform to disseminate information about how we can reduce the rate of violence that will grow inside our society, community, province na disla. So as my video by me post him about our gender-based violence survivors, me like lo all followers do me lo how we can contribute ideas na help mo disakan online. To sa silent majority we only team help but they cannot speak out. They have no access to freedom logo and access him service and all that. So medical sample good will comment. But if you want to challenge, there is no limitation. You can challenge him too. No problem. It's okay too. So yeah, so that's all about that. And I have a Facebook account too and stuff. The real name me use him lo TikTok account lo me use him Facebook too. So it's all about behavior change and how we can help ourselves minimize or mitigate the rate of violence inside law. So you mean on escape or run away of violence. Violence is a cross-cutting issue and everyone are facing it in their homes, workplace, and this one. So it's just the time you mean collaborate, work together, stand as a team, sharing idea na you may work. Every citizen that born in this country, PNG, they have 100% rights to live a life free from violence, rather than discrimination or stigmatized, deformation of character, threatening, abuse, harassment, and all that. So anyway, with that, thank you so much for followers below me. Comment more, and we help ourselves. Either simply says you. Thank you so much and love you all. Catch up for the next video. Thank you.